6.5 hours later.
Alright. As you guys see before this probably review or something. Alright. So as you guys can see the preview or teaser of the starting video. So apparently it's an unboxing too. So unboxing too, basically we're gonna unbox every single thing here. But probably I'm gonna record every unboxing tonight, but gonna edit it later on into separate different video. Accordingly the product or props that I was unboxing was real, something like that. I'm not sure because it's already 1:45 in the middle of the night. So let's get to it. Alright.